Hello, dear learners. How are you all? I hope you are doing good. Okay, so here's the question, guys. And the question is two dice are rolled together. The probability that the sum of the numbers that appeared is 9 is. That means you have two dice and you are rolling them together. Well, I have a possibility chart as well. What do you think how many total possibilities will be? When you roll two dice together, there are total 36 possibilities, right? Well, the point is you have to figure out how many such possibilities are there where the sum is going to be 9. For example, if on the first dice there is 3, it should be 6 on the second dice, right? That's when you will get sum 6 plus 3, 9. So look, in the first row, no outcome will be there whose sum will be 9. Now such possibility will exist in the second row as well. Again, 6 plus 2 is the maximum number that you can get. Sum is not 9. Now the third one. Here is the first possibility you will get. See? Now the second, that is going to be 4 and 5. See, their sum is 9. And look, you are getting a pattern like this. This is going downward, right? Now don't search here and there. Just go in this direction on the possibility chart. Of course, you will have to make one by yourself if you want to get this. So now this is the third possibility, 5 comma 4. The last one is going to be 6 comma 3, right? So here are the all possibilities whose sum are 9, but you already know the total possibilities are going to be 36, and the probability says you can take it in a ratio of favorable outcomes over total outcome. So how many favorable outcomes we have? 1 2 3 4, right? 4 over total outcomes are going to be 36, and this is a fraction which can be simplified as 1 over 9. Figure out your option. B is the right option. You got 1 marks. Wonderful. Bye bye.